Alright, how are you guys doing today? It is like 22 degrees with the wind chill. It's like 14 apparently, and we have a wind advisor, so that's cool. So that's why we're bundled up today. It's cold, but it's a Sunday, and I don't want to waste a day just not working on the car. So we're gonna try to get as much done as I can today. If you guys saw the last video, we cleaned the transmission, we cleaned the bay, so the bay actually looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. And then we have the engine. It's all set, ready to go. So, game plan as of right now, right? The objectives. I guess I need to get the engine off the stand first and foremost. And then I guess I gotta put it on a tire or on something, some blocks or whatever. And then I need to figure out how to do the pilot bearing and the rear main seal. Two things I've never done before. I don't know, I guess there's something about throwing bread in the pilot bearing and it'll pop out. We're gonna learn that today, we're gonna try it. First things first, gotta make some space, get the engine out over here, and get it off of the stand. So, without further ado, let's get to work. Alright, yeah, that was leaking. Cool, good stuff. Yeah, it was definitely leaking. Good. Alright, after that, pilot bearing is in, everything. Oh, rear main seal is now good. So, oh, it's getting cold out here, man. We're gonna put the clutch on now, and the flywheel. I did have to go to the store, grab some thread locker, because we're gonna need that for the flywheel bolts. Yeah, like I said, all things I've never done before, so I guess I'm gonna try to figure this out. Pretty self-explanatory and simple. I assume 6 bolts, 8, just count. Yeah, so I guess let's go ahead, let's get this single mass on and see how good it looks. So, as we can see here, woohoo, nice and shiny, that's cool. Obviously has to go there. So, without further ado, let's make it happen. And just like that, flywheel's on, torqued to spec. Next up, we gotta put this thing in there. I guess it just stays like so. Sure, like I said, we're learning out here. That's a flywheel side. So this has to go to the back. Yeah, that makes sense. This is, oh, it says it on here too. Good, flywheel side. Can't mess it up now, right? So, I guess it's just gonna, does not fit. Or does this have to go through here? Maybe it does that. That might make better sense. Okay. Sure. You guys' guess is hopefully better than mine. I don't know, looks good with me. Let's get the pressure plate and bolt that up. Got my pressure plate. Yeah, I guess. Where does it line best up here, right? Oh, that seems to want to go in better. Maybe not. Alright, everything was torqued to spec. Now I guess, theoretically, we just go. There we go. Clutch is in. Clutch is mounted. It's there. All is good. Hopefully it goes well. Pretty self-explanatory. I wiped all surfaces down with the rubbing alcohol, so there's no grease or anything on them. Yeah, I mean, I torqued everything to spec, I think. Then theoretically it should just be alright. I don't know. I'm gonna tidy the area up a little bit because it's a little messy, and then I'm gonna give myself room and we can get the transmission onto here. So let's get a trans back onto this engine and let's get this thing in the car. Well, I guess here goes the moment of truth. Starts going over here. Well, y'all saw me fail twice. I'm just gonna, I guess, mess with this until it just kind of goes in and works. Alright, eventually we got there. Trans officially bolted on. I even put the new starter on. Shout out the previous owner for including that. I guess this is kind of it, right? I mean, everything's kind of led up to here. Now we just got to put this thing in the car. Yeah. I'm going to get the GoPro and we'll set up a time lapse. And let's try to get this thing in the car. Yeah, I like that. Let's do it. That ended up taking too long for even a time lapse. I just spent the last hour almost. But holy shit, it is in the car and it is slotted in to both motor mounts there and over there. Didn't end up being the most easy thing in the world. Pulled it back out like 3 times to try to take different things apart. My steering rack is currently no longer attached, and neither is my sway bar, the steering linkage, or the trans mount. But hey, it's in the car finally. It just took a while to get here. Oh my god, that was not fun. Alright, let's unhook this thing, and I'm gonna, I guess, tighten all the bolts so it's officially mounted on its own. So you guys just saw, finished up under the car, and now this thing is officially bolted in. All right, it Can't go anywhere now. I can move it, shake it all I want. It ain't going anywhere, which is good, right? That's one step closer, obviously. Yeah. That is going to do it for today's video, though. It's getting late. I got work in the morning. I still got a meal prep and all the other things. So, yeah, I think this one might have been on the shorter side. If it was, I apologize. But today took longer to do what I did than I thought I was going to. But that just means that the next video, we're going to spend a time putting this thing all together. And then, theoretically, that video or the one after, we should, fingers crossed, get to try to start this thing. So, yeah, I mean, it's exciting stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please continue to support the channel. I really do appreciate it. And, yeah, have a good one, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.